everybody. We are staying on the 25th floor in the Bellagio in Las Vegas. And we decided to take a little room tour. This room is comped, believe it or not. My friend Raven got a really nice deal with a gorgeous bathroom, man. You could just, if they had a second shower head on the right, you could really have some fun in there. Double mirrors, very beautiful. I love it. It looks like it's that inlay mother of pearl kind of stuff on that. Looks very nice, of course. If you have problems on the toilet, you have your phone. And there's my friend Raven. Yeah. And it's a king size bed. Gorgeous. Now, you were able to get this room comped by what?
I used my American Express points.
Okay, so American Express points. But it is a really pretty, we have a little entertainment section. It has one of the fridge with all the expensive stuff that you don't touch, or they're gonna charge you like 50 bucks for a candy bar. Oh yay, sign me up, not. And then we have a little sitting area, and take a look at that $1 million view. We are behind the Bellagio water fountains. Oh my God. I've always wanted to be behind them. It is just amazing. So we're gonna see that go off later tonight with the lights and be absolutely fabulous. The flamingo is right over there, and that's gonna all be lit up in pink. You have Caesar's Palace right there, and the main strip right along there. Of course, Paris with the Eiffel Tower right there. Not the Eiffel Tower, but a replica, of course. And it is gonna be absolutely stunning tonight. So the only thing is, it would be nice if it had a balcony. We don't have a balcony. I kind of think that it's probably not a good idea because people might take a nosedive off. It tends to happen. But they have a little thing that says for pushing for air ventilation, but it looks like it's all painted and shut. See, like, okay, we don't know what that is, but okay. So, but it's beautiful. It's too bad we couldn't have it like a screened, or at least slide something so that we could hear it, but we'll probably hear the music anyway through it.
You can turn it onto a special channel, and it'll pipe the music that's playing at the exact same time.
Oh,
that's
nice.
What the guy said at the check-in.
Oh, okay, that answers that. That is fabulous. And we do have USBs in here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Found it right there in the front of the clock. And then it's on a lamp over on the other side, not to give you whiplash, but it's there at the base of that lamp. So it is a fabulous room. Very nice. Thank you, Raven Jade, for your points. Very nice.
Thank you, American Express, for giving them to me.
There you go. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. We will see you guys later with some nice night views.